Amazon retail arbitrage. Becoming an affiliate for big brands, kind of like this microphone right here, Rode. Become an affiliate for those brands. Most of these brands have affiliate programs on their websites, and all you have to do is just do a little simple basic Google search, how to become an affiliate for X brand, and you're going to find a simple form online that you can fill. And like this, you can become an affiliate for them. Something like Sony. You can leverage the trust and authority that the company has. And by doing that, you're not going to have to start from zero. You don't have to handle shipping. You don't have to have a warehouse. You don't have to have stock. And you can literally do this from your phone. All you have to do is go to your app store, download the Amazon FBA app on your phone, whether you're using an iOS device or an Android device. You just create a basic account, sign up, and become an Amazon FBA seller. And what the smart ones are doing these days are they go to the supermarkets close to their house, they find good products, they scan the barcodes of those products using the Amazon FBA app. And by doing that, you're going to be able to see how much people are selling that same product for on the Amazon platform. From that, you're going to see how much the supermarket is selling it for, and you're already going to be able to calculate your potential profit. If you see that the product is profitable and there's lots of it on Amazon, then you can buy a few units from the store that you're in right now, ship them to an Amazon warehouse, and then put them up for sale. That's it. Once Amazon receives your product, you're going to be able to start selling. Once you make a sale, Amazon will handle the shipping and returns for you, and you get to keep the profit in between.